In today's video, we are going to show you how to send an invoice on HoneyBook so you can get paid faster and keep everything professional and organized. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And then if this is your first time sending an invoice on HoneyBook, all I have to do is super simple. On the top right corner, there is a new button wherein you can create a project, create a contract, and of course, create an invoice. But in my case, I am going to the left side panel of my dashboard and go to my files because I have already created my own invoice, which is going to be this one. All I have to do is super simple. Okay. Click the invoice that you wanted to send. For example, this one. Okay. Of course, you have the ability to send it to someone, for example, your client, your supervisor, or maybe your team manager. It's up to you. You can put in the price for that specific task or project. And then you have the ability to put in the description. And if you want to add a new service, add sub item, you can do with that. Now, matter of fact, for the invoice settings, you see that you have more control about it. You can put in the company logo, company details, invoice title, bill to someone, show image, and a lot more. Plus the payment schedule, payment settings, design. If you want to add your own colors, you can do that as well. It's super simple. Of course, you need to enter a recipient. Do not forget about it. So in this case, we're going to send it to Jasper Thompson, which is our client for this video. Click the add button. Now, before you send it, I want you to click the section that says preview. All right. So this is what's gonna look like when you send your invoice to your client. Okay. Once you are happy with that, all I have to do is exit preview. And for safety, I want you to click the send test. You want to make sure that you have everything is correct. And here you can put in some information, type in your subject, and click on the send test. And there we have it. Okay. Now, the final confirmation is sharing that to your client. This is the actual invoice that you're going to send to, wherein I am going to send this actual invoice to Jasper Thompson. Click the send button. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to send an invoice on HoneyBook. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.